In this video, we will explore key differences between Deepseek and ChatGPT, the two most popular generative AI models, focusing on their benchmark performance, capabilities, and efficiency in various tasks. The goal of this presentation is to compare Deepseek and ChatGPT, two cutting-edge AI models that serve distinct purposes in the AI ecosystem. DeepSeek specializes in data exploration and mining, making it invaluable for research-driven tasks that require in-depth analysis of large datasets. ChatGPT, by contrast, focuses on generating conversational responses, making it one of the most popular tools for creating chatbots, virtual assistants, and customer-facing solutions. Both models utilize different core technologies, which makes this comparison insightful for understanding where each excels and how they can be used in various applications. By the end of this presentation, you'll gain a deeper understanding of the strengths and weaknesses of these two AI systems, as well as the contexts in which they are most effective. DeepSeek is powered by a combination of machine learning, ML, and natural language processing, NLP. Unlike general-purpose language models, DeepSeek is designed to perform data mining, extracting relevant information from structured and unstructured data sources. The underlying technology focuses on transforming vast amounts of raw data into valuable insights through the use of deep learning for pattern recognition. One of DeepSeek's key strengths lies in its ability to provide highly accurate search results and optimize the process of retrieving valuable information from enormous datasets. It can also efficiently handle both semantic search and contextual information, making it suitable for complex data tasks such as research, business intelligence, and decision-making support. ChatGPT is built on the GPT generative pre-trained transformer architecture, which relies on a transformer-based neural network. This architecture is designed to handle sequential data, making it particularly effective for generating coherent text based on preceding context. During its training, ChatGPT is exposed to a vast corpus of text across many domains, allowing it to generalize across various subjects. The model has been specifically fine-tuned for conversational purposes, enabling it to produce responses that sound human-like in a dialogue. ChatGPT excels at generating contextually relevant responses and is designed to maintain coherence throughout longer interactions, making it ideal for chatbots, customer support, and other applications requiring extended conversation capabilities. DeepSeek is trained on highly curated datasets sourced from both structured and unstructured data. The model performs best when it has access to domain-specific knowledge, which means that its training data is tailored to the needs of a particular field, such as finance, healthcare, or scientific research. The curation process is rigorous and focuses on ensuring the data's accuracy, relevance, and quality. DeepSeek uses NLP techniques to process both types of data. Structured data, such as databases or spreadsheets, provides a wealth of quantitative insights, while unstructured data, like research papers or articles, is processed for qualitative patterns and themes. The integration of these datasets enables DeepSeek to support detailed, context-sensitive analysis for business intelligence or research-driven decisions. ChatGPT is trained on a broad range of text data, which includes books, websites, articles, and more, all sourced from diverse areas of human knowledge. This broad corpus allows the model to understand general language patterns and respond in a conversational manner to a variety of topics. The model is initially pre-trained on this broad knowledge base, then fine-tuned with specific conversational datasets to ensure it can engage in interactive dialogues. The training emphasizes making ChatGPT sound more natural in conversations, improving its context awareness and its ability to maintain a fluid dialogue. As ChatGPT evolves, it continuously incorporates fine-tuning techniques to improve its ability to understand context, detect nuances, and provide accurate responses. DeepSeek's performance excels in data retrieval and complex analysis. It is optimized for accuracy and speed, ensuring that it can sift through large amounts of data quickly and with precision. This makes DeepSeek ideal for use cases such as data mining or business intelligence, where finding the right data point among millions is critical. In terms of scalability, DeepSeek can handle vast datasets without compromising on speed, making it a reliable tool for large organizations with substantial data needs. However, unlike ChatGPT, it is more suited for goal-oriented tasks like research or structured data analysis. It doesn't aim to provide conversational experiences, but rather deep insights from data. ChatGPT's core strength lies in its ability to engage in natural, fluid conversations. The model is designed to handle a wide range of queries, making it highly versatile in fields like customer support, education, and content generation. It can respond to casual, technical, or abstract queries, although it is not specialized for specific tasks like data mining. While ChatGPT is generally fast in its responses, there are instances where its answers may be less accurate for niche topics or highly specialized information. This happens because ChatGPT doesn't have a deep, domain-specific knowledge base like Deepseek. The generality of its training dataset can sometimes lead to inaccuracies when responding to specific, technical questions. DeepSeek is particularly suited for knowledge discovery and research tasks. Its ability to search, retrieve, and analyze vast datasets quickly makes it invaluable in areas like business intelligence, where timely insights are crucial for decision making. Whether it's exploring new scientific data, generating reports based on business analytics, or conducting financial risk assessments, DeepSeek serves as a powerful tool for enterprises that need precise and actionable insights. It is often implemented in enterprise environments, where it integrates with existing data infrastructure to automate data discovery processes. For example, it can assist companies in making decisions based on complex, multi-source datasets. ChatGPT has found applications in several areas, most notably in customer service automation. As businesses increasingly move to digital channels, ChatGPT helps companies manage high volumes of customer inquiries through automated chatbots. Its ability to maintain a conversational tone and address customer concerns in real time makes it a powerful tool for support teams. Additionally, ChatGPT is used for content generation, where it assists writers in generating creative ideas, writing drafts, or editing existing content. In education, ChatGPT is employed in tutoring systems, providing personalized responses to student queries and helping with homework and assignments across various subjects. DeepSeek integrates seamlessly with enterprise systems and is designed to handle large-scale databases and APIs. This integration allows it to pull in data from diverse sources and provide tailored insights that meet the specific needs of the business or research context. For example, businesses can use DeepSeek alongside their analytics platforms to ensure they have access to the most relevant data points for making critical decisions. Additionally, the ability to customize DeepSeek for particular tasks or industries adds significant value, especially for organizations that require domain-specific knowledge to make better data-driven decisions. It's highly adaptable to different workflows, from healthcare to finance. ChatGPT is highly integrated into various platforms, including chat interfaces, websites, and mobile apps. With a powerful API provided by OpenAI, developers can easily integrate the model into their existing platforms to enhance user interaction. The model is also embedded in popular voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, enabling users to interact with devices using natural language. ChatGPT's flexible API allows businesses and developers to customize the conversational experience, while its open-source variants give independent developers the freedom to innovate and create custom applications with it. This broad integration makes ChatGPT versatile across different user interaction channels. DeepSeek's cost is primarily designed for large enterprises, with pricing reflecting its complex capabilities. Customization can be expensive, especially when domain expertise is required to fine-tune the system for a specific industry or dataset. This means that companies must be prepared to invest not only in the software, but also in the infrastructure needed to support such a powerful tool. Since DeepSeek deals with massive datasets, the hardware requirements are often substantial, which might increase both the initial and ongoing costs. However, for organizations with the resources to support it, DeepSeek offers a powerful solution for advanced data analysis and decision-making. ChatGPT is relatively more accessible compared to DeepSeek. The API based pricing model provides businesses with a cost effective way to integrate the model into their systems based on usage. For small businesses, startups, and individual developers, ChatGPT offers a low barrier to entry, meaning they can leverage its capabilities without significant financial investment. Whether for customer support or content creation, it's priced to scale with the business's growth. Furthermore, OpenAI offers both free tier and paid access to the model, ensuring that even individual developers can experiment and create applications without significant upfront costs. DeepSeek stands out for its high accuracy in data retrieval and mining, especially when dealing with complex and large datasets. Its strength lies in its ability to provide reliable, actionable insights based on data sources ranging from business intelligence systems to research databases. The model is highly customizable, making it suitable for specialized tasks that require in-depth analysis. Its ability to integrate into enterprise systems ensures that businesses can efficiently process data across multiple platforms. For organizations focused on data heavy tasks like research, market analysis, and decision support, DeepSeek offers significant advantages in data exploration and insight generation. ChatGPT excels at maintaining natural conversations, providing coherent and contextually relevant responses across a broad range of subjects. Whether in customer service or content generation, its ability to understand and generate human like text makes it a powerful tool for companies looking to automate their interactions. Additionally, ChatGPT is highly versatile in its applications, able to address diverse queries ranging from simple factual questions to more complex conversational topics. Its accessibility via APIs makes it ideal for both developers and businesses, providing a low-cost solution for integrating AI-driven conversations into various platforms and systems. Thanks for watching. For more AI courses and tech materials, please go to our website at bowza.com.